Welcome to Unique Wiki.
Let's get started. Think you know the eye? Test your vision trivia. From cornea to optic nerve, spot the parts in 10 seconds. Go. Which part of the eye maintains its shape? The answer is vitreous humor. What is the primary function of the sclera? The answer is protects the eye. Which muscle controls the shape of the lens? The answer is ciliary muscle. What causes color blindness? The answer is deficiency in cone cells. Which part of the eye adjusts to different light levels? The answer is pupil. What is the primary function of the lens? The answer is focuses light onto the retina. Which condition is known as farsightedness? The answer is hyperopia. What is the colored part of the eye called? The answer is iris. Which structure connects the eye to the brain? The answer is optic nerve. Which fluid nourishes the cornea? The answer is aqueous humor. Which part of the eye is responsible for tear production? The answer is lacrimal gland. What is the light-sensitive layer of the eye called? The answer is retina. What structure holds the lens in place? The answer is suspensory ligaments. Which part of the eye has no photoreceptors? The answer is optic disc. Which condition results from an irregularly shaped cornea? The answer is astigmatism. What part of the eye helps with depth perception? The answer is binocular vision. Which part of the eye filters out UV light? The answer is cornea. What is the function of the choroid? The answer is supplies oxygen and nutrients to the retina. Which condition is an age-related difficulty in focusing on near objects? The answer is presbyopia. What is the function of the conjunctiva? The answer is protects the eye. Which part of the eye contains the highest density of photoreceptors? The answer is fovea. Which muscle allows the eye to move in different directions? The answer is extraocular muscles. What part of the brain processes visual information? The answer is occipital lobe. Which type of lens is used to correct myopia? The answer is concave lens. Which type of lens is used to correct hyperopia? The answer is convex lens. Which part of the retina provides the sharpest vision? The answer is fovea. Which layer of the eye is responsible for detecting light? The answer is retina. Which cells in the retina detect color? The answer is cone cells. Which part of the eye prevents excessive light from entering? The answer is iris. Which eye condition results from increased intraocular pressure? The answer is glaucoma. Which layer of the eye contains blood vessels? The answer is choroid. What is the purpose of the meibomian glands? The answer is secrete oil to prevent tear evaporation. Which vitamin is essential for good vision? The answer is vitamin A. Which disorder results in clouding of the lens? The answer is cataracts. Which part of the eye is transparent and helps focus light? The answer is cornea. What happens to the pupil in bright light? The answer is it constricts. What is the main function of rod cells? The answer is detect dim light and movement. What is the main function of aqueous humor? The answer is maintain eye pressure. Which nerve carries visual information to the brain? The answer is optic nerve. Which part of the eye reflects light and provides night vision in animals? The answer is tapetum lucidum. What is the blind spot in the eye? The answer is optic disc. Which part of the eye produces aqueous humor? The answer is ciliary body. Which part of the eye helps in night vision? The answer is rod cells. Which test is commonly used to measure visual acuity? The answer is Snellen and chart. Which structure provides nutrients to the retina? The answer is choroid. What is the function of the suspensory ligaments? The answer is hold the lens in place. Which condition is caused by an uneven curvature of the cornea? The answer is astigmatism. Which eye condition occurs due to loss of central vision? The answer is macular degeneration. Which layer of the eye contains photoreceptor cells? The answer is retina.